Do you want to know who ranked the first from your list in exam? Let me show you the rank function in a second. Okay, first of all, let's understand the rank function. You first just type equal rank, okay, open bracket, and then you can see number, ref, okay, you can see like that. Here, number. Number means the number of your cell, the value from the score, okay, like this. And comma, you have ref. Ref means reference. All the value here, okay, all the value here. And order is optional, but I will show you later on. Just close it, okay? When your value compared to all the value in your list. Okay, let me unzoom it, and boom, you got this number 2. It's in here number 1. Okay, just drag it here. We can see like that, this number 1. Why 85 number 1? Why 70 number 1? Okay, let's change the formula. It take its value and compare to all the lists. But let's check here. It take the value from here and compare to here. So it is the problem. Here by 70 number 1, take its value, compare from here to here. So it needs to compare all the time from here. So let's fix the formula. So in order to do that, we need to lock this one. Just press F4 on desktop keyboard. Or if you are using laptop, you may press function F4 Fn and then press F4 on keyboard like this. Okay. Or you just type the line like this in front of the number and the letter, just like that. Okay, let me try it again. Boom. See, number 5. Every time it compare its value, see, every time it won't compare to here, here y, it compare its value to all the lists. Okay, what if we use rank with option or the option? Let's try again, rank the value here, the list or here, just F4 and comma order. By default, if we don't put anything like here, it descending order. Mean that if you have the biggest number, you rank number 1, like that. Okay, let me show you first. It will be exactly the same here, the same this one, right? The biggest have the smallest rank, and the smallest have the biggest rank. Okay, if we use 1 ascending, so it will see, you will see different. The one that have the biggest number rank the highest. One that has smaller number rank smallest. But then in this case, we really use it. But if you have some scenario or case that you need to reverse the order, you can put it the order number 1. Okay, hope you learned something from it. See you next time.